Kitchen Tour episode 9. So today I'm at AmpQuartz Johor Bahru. I'm gonna show you our customer kitchen cabinet for wet kitchen and also dry kitchen. So let's go. We start with wet kitchen. Okay, so this is the wet kitchen. We start with material first. Okay, for the material, we use solid plywood, European, and for the color code, for bottom cabinet, we use Virginia walnut, and for this part, we use lotus white. And then we go to tabletop. Okay, for tabletop, we use sintered stone in code Oro Fantasy. And you can see here, for the handle cabinet, we use gold bar. So now let's see the storage. Okay, first at here we have sauce rack. So you can put any ingredients here beside your kitchen stove. And then at here, customer also install this side hanging basket. Okay, side hanging basket. And then here, our customer also install this gas tray, so easy for you to change the gas. And then beside of it, also install this dustbin tray. Also this one we have cutlery tray, so you easy for arrange your food and your food. And here another storage under sink cupboard. And here also have another cupboard. Okay, and the best part of our accessory is here. We have pull-up basket. So here we also install this for top cabinet. So let's go. We go to dry kitchen. Okay, so now we start with dry kitchen part. Okay, first of all, I want to show you this pretty display cabinet. Our customer installed this hanging shelf. Come with LED lamp here, so the view is more pretty. And then here also, for bottom cabinet, we use Virginia walnut, and for here we use lotus white coat. And backsplash and tabletop also we use sintered stone code Oro Fantasy. Okay, now let's go for their accessories. Okay, here this part we install this oven part. So here we have drawer, and here have pocket door. Okay, you open like this and then put it inside, and have twin pull-out tray. So easy for you to put your rice cooker or anything appliance here. Okay. At the top, a cupboard. And here also have pull-out tray too. Okay. If you look closely here, the design is groove line. We make it groove line, so it make difference between backstage and the display cabinet. And also this one called arch design. This one is storage part, right? Just simple one, and then have a secret on their curve, which is here they install display cabinet. So here we have glass door, so you can see enough your vase and anything. And here also they make an open space, so easy for you to install the switch. And here just a simple cupboard. So that's it, our kitchen tour for today. So if you like this kind of video, you can like, comment and subscribe. See you next time.